Can you guess what amazing part of your body is inside your head and helps you think and talk and feel all your feelings? It's your brain! And when we take care of our bodies, like when we move them every day, we take care of our brains. Check it out!
When I get sleep, it helps my brain feel fresh.
When I breathe deep, I relax and get good rest.
I take care of my body. I take care of my brain. I take care of my body so I can be my strongest, healthiest me.
When we move each day, Elmo feels himself get stronger. And after we move, we can feel happy longer. Elmo takes care of his body. I take care of my brain. Yeah. I take care of my body so Elmo can be my strongest, healthiest Elmo.
When I eat healthy, it gives my body fuel.
When we hang out, our meals are twice as cool.
I take care of my body. I take care of my brain. I take care of my body so I can be my strongest, healthiest me.
I love my brain and know that it can do. I care for my body and brain, and they care for me too.
We're getting plenty of sleep.
We're moving our bodies every day.
We're eating healthy foods.
We're making time to play.
We're taking care of our brains and bodies.